A couple weeks ago, I'm driving in Toronto and this elegant cream DS just glides past me at a red light. Loud, looking like it left the factory yesterday. That moment hit me so hard, I had to make this video. Most cars evolve slowly. In 1955, the average car still had 1930s bones. Then Citroën drops the DS, front-wheel drive, unibody, fiberglass roof, disc brakes, hydraulic everything, self-leveling hydropneumatic suspension that lifts the car when you turn the key. And a shape that looks like it landed from 1975, they called it DS, goddess in French, because the guys who built it, Lefebvre Majas Bertone, knew exactly how insane it was. Paris Motor Show, October 1955, 80,000 orders in 9 days factory started the next morning. 1962, Charles de Gaulle survives an assassination attempt because the DS keeps driving on shredded tires. Same car, Louis de Funès trashes at 90 kilometers per hour in the Gendarme movies and never dies. And the best proof the suspension was a witchcraft? Some Citroën dealer in the States in the 60s removes a whole rear wheel, drives around on 3 wheels, gets dragged to court, and takes the judge for a ride. She comes back and tells the cops to leave the man alone. That French elegance? German luxury cars were heavy bank vaults that wanted you to hear the doors go thunk. The DS never shouted. It just floated past, quiet, almost shy, and made everything else look clumsy. That cream one in Toronto felt like someone opened a portal, and 1955 Paris rolled onto Eglinton Avenue. Honestly, if I ever get rich enough to own proper classics, a DS is right at the top of the list. I don't care that parts are unobtainium and it'll probably strand me one day. I just want to feel that float again. 70 years old in 2025, and it still feels like the future showed up early.